Brundage has so many new things going on. Check this out. And if this is your first time tuning into the channel, I'm Teia Golden. I sell real estate here in McCall, Idaho. So if you're thinking about moving here or buying an investment property, whether it's now or 2 years from now, reach out anytime, give me a call. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. So I'm in the market, real estate every day, and I didn't even know that all this was currently up here. So I was taking a client up here to just preview a ski in, ski out lot. And he asked me, are there any homes built up there yet? And I was like, no, there's no homes built up there yet. But I was thinking, these lots just sold, earlier this year. Surely nobody has any homes built yet. Well, we came up here and I was so shocked to see all the building that's actually going on. I mean, they have 3 homes with full foundations in and 2 almost completely built. And then they have 5 or 6 more they're gonna be starting this summer. So the amount of development that's happened here on Brundage is crazy. So this is the first lot I wanted to show you guys. It's the last lot that's available up here, and it backs up to Lower Rodeo, the area where you're coming around and you can either go down to the parking lot or you can end up splitting off left and go down to the ski center area. I imagine with this particular lot, it's like 0.7 acres, that you would be able to drive right in. It looks sloped, but the way you would build your garage is like right up here where you could drive in off the road. And then you would have a mud room like on the back side that would kind of back right up to the ski hill. So it'd be really easy access to get in and out. There's also a trail path right here on the left of lot number 4. And this lot is priced at just a little over $1 million. There are some lots that might come back up for resale that people have bought, and they are partnering with builders or just putting those lots back on the market as something, that would be available. If you do build, there is a timeline to build. They're hoping that you build within 4 years. And if not, then the developer has the opportunity to purchase the lot back from you. And I'd like to thank Kyle Looper and Cherie Reeves with Engel & Volker for letting us come out and check out all this development that's happening here in Brundage. So one of the coolest changes I've heard about Brundage is they actually have their own fire department. So if you're worried about getting insurance up here, that's something that could definitely save you money with the fire department being so close to Brundage. They're on community water and sewer, and then as you can see, the power's underground. The HOA fee includes your water, trash, sewer, and the road maintenance and snow plowing for the winter. So this is just a really, really well thought out development here on the site of Brundage Ski Resort. Another cool thing that's coming back this year to Brundage is the childcare. So that's something I'm really excited about. If you have kids and they either get burnout on ski school or maybe they're too young for ski school, it's definitely a good option to have the childcare back open here at Brundage. And if you're wondering what's going on with Brundage and if there's a way that you could still get in on something here, there is going to be more stuff developing out. They've been talking about trying to find ways to include the snowmobile population in a certain area. That would be really cool if it comes to fruition. There's so many like state trails and backland areas that you can access from here. So that would be, I don't know, just to me so cool because it's not something that you see a lot at other ski resorts. There's still talks of like phase 2. They don't have any pricing or lot sizes yet. So if you're looking for more information about that, you can always reach out and I'll get you that information as soon as it's provided. And it's not just development that's going on here at Brundage. They have so much stuff at the ski resort too. They've got the new lodge that'll be open this year. They put in the new Centennial lift last year. If you haven't been here, definitely come check out Brundage and let us know in the comments, changes that you would like to see here at Brundage, or maybe if something's happening and you're really excited about it, let us know.